technical presentations, training, anything. So these are the advanced things that you can do. Now let's go on to the leadership track, the other parallel thing. The leadership track comprises of CL, ALB, ALS. The CL is the confident leader. So basically the CL manual that you might be having at home, please make sure you bring it to the Toastmasters meeting. Why? Because every time you perform some role in a meeting, be it a grammarian, a timer, an evaluator, a speaker as well, you can have that filled, you can have that evaluated by a fellow member, and once you get about 23 of those filled in, you can claim your CL award. That includes a lot of roles that you have to do once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times maybe. And you can see the details of all of that inside your competent leadership manual, which you must be having. And then finally you get an award. So this is what a CL award looks like. So yeah. How much time?
6.
Then of course we go advanced. Now when you go into the advanced leader bronze, that's after you do a CL. You have to be a CL. You have to be a CC as well. Then you can move on to the next stage. You have to have served 6 months as a club officer. We have our EC elections coming right now, EC meeting. So those terms also count in your leadership track. You have to have served as a responsible functioning member of your club and actually help the club grow in order to achieve these certificates. And then participated in a planned event, that is sort of by default what happens with the EC members, because the distinguished club program is something that we have. We set out the goals at the beginning of each EC term and we chart those. There is a like inter-club training program that happens every July or every October. So this July, whoever is going to get elected into our elected committee is going to go there, as well as other people who might be interested in that can go there and they can be part of this. So they can have this fulfillment. And participant officer training, the training program I was referring to. And yeah, you have to finish 2 programs on the successful collections. So this 2 programs, one program consists of a series of modules. So like the one that I'm giving today, not exactly this one, a bit more advanced than that. And you have to do a series of those to finish one program, and this is 2 programs. Details are, well, when you get there, you can find out all the details. So it gets pretty advanced. And then it's silver. Yeah, now you're at that penultimate stage. This is pretty high level. So you have to be a bronze. You have to serve a term as a district officer. This is a 1-year term in which, as a district officer, it includes being an area governor or a related this thing. Area governor means you have to oversee the functionings of several clubs in your area. Then a division governor, you have to oversee the functioning of several areas in your division. A district governor, you have to oversee the functioning of all the divisions in your district. So India and Sri Lanka is one district. The combined mass of Jaipur, Gurgaon, Dwarka and West Bengal, they form division I right now. So that's our division. And our area 1 comprises of about 6 or 7 clubs in Gurgaon. So there's TCS, Fluvitus, Dhanamdi, etc. So this is a role that takes you above and beyond your own club. Now you become a person who belongs to several clubs at the same time. You go and visit those clubs, you interact with people of different clubs, and that innovatively causes you, gives you a silver in your leadership, and it makes you a better leader as well, because now you're interacting with different people, you're keeping their priorities in mind. And then you have to be a club sponsor, mentor, specialist. When we started this club, we had some club sponsors who helped us set up the club. We had 2 club mentors who helped the club in the first initial 1 year to get up to pace. And even I have been appointed as a club mentor for the IBM Toastmasters Club in the same way. And specialist is when a club really goes down on the drums. They rope in someone from the outside to come and just encourage everyone and get them back up. So finally, DTM, Distinguished Toastmasters. This is the culmination of both your leadership and your communication skills, in which you can combine both of them. You have to have a gold and you have to have a silver. Gold in communicator, a silver in leadership, and automatically you become a Distinguished Toastmaster. This is the highest, like maybe we can say the PhD of Toastmasters that you can achieve. The good part about Toastmasters is that you don't get out of the movement when you achieve this. you come back to square one. So it becomes a cycle. So when after you finish your DTM, you can come back and you can do those CC projects again. You can do your CL manual. You can do other roles and all. So it's a continuous process, cyclical process. Each time you go through this, you get better and better at what you do. And so in case you felt like you missed out something, or at that time that speech wasn't so good, you get another chance to come around and do it. We have some DTMs in India who have done once, twice, thrice over DTMs while going through this over the last decade or so. So yeah, this is the thing again. And any questions over here?
Where are you?
I was here, and so today I'm going to come here. And this is one module. I have to do one more module in Dwarka Toastmasters next Sunday, and then I'll be home. So yeah.
How long did it take you to reach here?
It's been just 1.5 years.
There you go, people. Get inspired.
No, actually there is no time constraint as such. You can take as long as you want and as short as you want. It is generally encouraged to take as long as you want. Because after all, these things aren't so much for showing other people as they are for showing yourself. So when you have that certification, I should feel that, yeah, I am a competent leader. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil, for such an informative speech. May all of us reach to the DTM level, Distinguished Toastmasters. And now I would like to...
You want to pause this?
Yeah.